Good afternoon, everybody. This is Crystal with Crystal's Creations Wyckoff. How are you guys all doing? Good, I hope. Today is another snowy day here in Colorado. And I'm sure some of you are experiencing some other snow in your neck of the woods, like in Maine and Missouri and other areas throughout the states. So I hope you guys are all staying nice and warm and toasty in a warm house. So anyways, I wanted to give you guys an update. Some of you all know that I'm getting an updated craft room, but my husband and I worked together and we got that one bookcase out of here that was up against this wall that looked like a disaster. And that one piece of purple piece of furniture that I got for free that was up the street. I had that for a couple of years and that thing was falling apart big time. So we decided to just get rid of it. And so we're going to we're going to paint this wall here. Okay. And we're going to paint that wall there where the pegboard is. We're going to take the pegboard off, and both of these two walls here are going to be a clear sky blue. And then we're going to paint this wall and this wall and our ceiling, my craft room ceiling, a nice satin white, which will look pretty. So when I take pictures of my cards, they will look much better. And I can't wait to get that clear sky blue on these two walls. I cannot wait to see what it looks like. I am so excited, you guys. And I'm gonna keep this wheelie cart back here because our cacti, holiday cactus plants are gonna stay in here because they do so well in the window. And then this bookcase I will keep because it's a American Furniture Warehouse bookcase. And the TV, we're just gonna move that over here on this wall because I'll be sitting facing this way, facing those flowers, but those flowers are gonna go bye-bye, thank God. I was trying to do something different before, trying to stencil that wall. And if you can look up, this used to be my son's bedroom. And I tried to stencil glow-in-the-dark dragons for him on his bedroom wall, and they're still there, and they still glow in the dark. So I used glow-in-the-dark paint, and they still glow in the dark. So they're gonna be gone bye-bye too, yay. I'm so excited. But yeah, so just so you know, it's an update. Oh, and this purple thing was actually a chalkboard. So it's chalkboard paint. And you can actually write chalk on it, erase it and everything, but it's gonna go bye-bye. I'm so excited to get rid of it. So it's just something I was trying to mess around with, and of course having that big bulky furniture in here to use for craft room and stuff, it wasn't getting used, and it still isn't getting used, so it's time for it to go. So I'm excited, and yeah. So as we update my craft room, I'll be thinking about my mom because without her, this could not have happened. So I'm still sad that she's gone, but I'm grateful for her for doing this for me. So thank you, Mom, because I know this is what she would have wanted. So anyways, I will give you guys some more updates. And I'm gonna sit down and color and work on my diamond press stuff. And I will talk to you guys later. Love y'all. Bye.